channel Kids Cloud.
Please subscribe to this channel Kids Cloud. Why do ants walk in a straight line?
What do you think about ants? Ants are highly social, collaborative, hard workers and disciplined. At some point or another, everyone has watched an order marching of ants. This fascinating behavior of ants make us think, why do ants walk in a straight line? Can you imagine in this big wide world how these ants are managing their big colonies? In the absence of any map or navigation, how do they find their food? Don't you feel it is interesting? Of course, these ants are highly disciplined and millions of ants are working as a team. But do you know the reason behind their management? In simple words, we can say good communication skill is their success key. Ants have a special type of chemical called pheromones. These chemicals have a distinct smell which helps them to protect their colonies from any harm. Also, it transmits information regarding the food sources. Let's see how these pheromones work. We all are aware the fact that ants live in colonies. So whenever any one of them finds a portion of food, it will inform the others in the colony by a specific indicator. That particular ant picks a small piece of food and walks towards the colony. While returning, it releases a chemical called pheromones along its path. When the food carrying ant reaches the colony, it passes the information to others. Immediately, the ants from the colony follow a trail of pheromone left behind the first ant and walk towards the food destination. These pheromones evaporate easily. Hence, to make the signal stronger, while returning to the colony from the food source, every ant releases additional pheromone. This trail guides the other ants to reach the colony and the rest of the ants towards the food. Have you ever seen ants bumping into each other? Bumping is another way of communication. You must have seen the bumping ants. Whenever we see them, we feel as if they are communicating something to each other. Are they really doing it? Yes. It is an additional way of transferring information in ants. While bumping, the tips of their antennae touch each other and they secrete the unique pheromones of their colony. By smelling the scent, they can trace out whether the other ant belongs to the same colony or not. When they identify the unique smell, transfer their findings regarding food or harm or a new location for the colony to another ant. Thus, despite their tiny body, ants are incredibly fascinating. Don't you think so?
Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe to this channel.